Hi guys, it's Richard Butler, and today I want to review a site that promises to give you 100 to 200 leads per day and allows you to mail these leads, and in fact you can get 3,000 leads for $30 a month, or you can get 6,000, and I'll explain how everything works. So I joined up and I was invited into a special group which I can invite you into, where we discuss the strategies for these leads. Now, these leads have all opted in for money making opportunities or business opportunities. They are cold leads, and they are leads that have agreed to receive emails from selected partners, which is going to be you and I. So within this system, and I'm going to log in, within this system there is an internal mailer where you can mail out these leads every day. Or what you can do, and this is where the power but the trickiness comes, or you can download these leads and import them into your own autoresponder. Now there's a particular way you have to do this, because if you try and import them into GetResponse or Aweber or anything, that can cause some challenges. So we actually show you within the group the best way and the best autoresponder to actually use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my computer and show you the screen. Okay, so here we are. The site is called myleadgensecret. Now use the link that I provide in this video. This is going to allow you to get into the special group where we discuss how to use these leads. So in here you have my leads, and you will see that these are the leads that I have been assigned. All of these leads here. So at the moment I'm getting 200 leads a day, and if I have a look, if I were to go into the mailing system here, I have a total of 7,600 leads, and down here I can actually go in and I can write in my emails and then send it. Now you can send every 24 hours. So let's just have a look at some of these leads. If I go into my leads here, what I can actually do is I can click on browse leads. I can click on browse leads. I can click on browse leads, and what you will see is you have the date they signed up, you have the first name, you have the last name, you have the IP address, the city, the state, the postal code, the country, and the lead partner, where they actually came in from. So with those leads, what you could do is you could download the leads by going down here, download my leads, and import them, as I said, into this special autoresponder, which we actually share in the Facebook group. Now, statistics wise, what you get is when you send out an email, you get the emails here and how many was sent. I just sent this one this morning. How many people opened, the open rate, the clicks, the click opens, and the clicks sent. Now, there is one thing I will tell you here, and I'm going to be honest because I want you to make an informed decision here. What we've noticed as a group, the click tracking within the system is not that great. Okay, sometimes it reports more or less clicks, or the way I've done it is I've set up the links on my domain using pretty links, which redirects them to the page that I want to go. I haven't seen that, for example, 58 clicks is the amount of clicks that I've got on my website. It's lower than that. Now, one consideration that somebody said was it could be that people are clicking on the unsubscribe link, and that is seen as a valid click. So what you need to do is you need to keep mailing every single day, and you have to realize this is a numbers game and it takes time. Let's say you built up your leads to 10,000 leads. Well, even if a very small percentage of those opened up and a small percentage clicked, you could still make some sales. So it is a numbers game. Now, what we do, which is really powerful in the Facebook group, is every Friday we do a lead swap. That means that everybody shares their leads, they're cleaned to remove duplicates, and they're sent back to individual members. Now this resulted last week in getting over, I think it was 160,000 leads that we could then import into our special autoresponder. Now, again, I have to emphasize these are cold leads. They don't know you, so you have to build up a relationship with them. So that is key and very important. The other thing that you can actually do is if you go into affiliates here, you can build your downline. And if you build your downline, for each affiliate that you recruit, you get $5 on the first level. For each affiliate they recruit, you get $4. For each affiliate that your affiliate's affiliate, I'm getting confused here, recruits, you get 3, 2, and 1. So there's a 5 deep level matrix here. So that is another revenue generator, that you actually get people to join the program, and then you invite them into the group, and then you get them to learn about the actual system. Now, there have been very good results in the group, but you know, people are working these leads. They're sending every day, they're sending particular emails, they're making sure that they're building a relationship, because again, the leads don't know you. So have a look at my lead gen secret. I've left a link in the video. I'll answer any questions that you may have. And one question that a lot of people ask is, well, do we have permission to actually email these leads? And the answer is yes. When you go to my lead gen page, you will see that what they say is that on the capture pages where they capture these leads, there was a tick box that said, by signing up, you agree to get emails from partners and other special offers. I would stay away from any leads that are UK or Europe based, because with GDPR the laws might be a little bit different, but any US and Canadian leads should be okay, as long as you follow all the canned spam, that you make sure that you actually have an unsubscribe link if you're importing them into your autoresponder, etc. But as I said, all of that training, and there's a heck of a lot of training in the Facebook group, will be explained. Alright guys, if you have any questions, just let me know. I think this is a very good opportunity. It's $30 to start with a $30 setup fee, and then it's $30 a month. That's for 3,000 or 6,000 leads. You get the 200 leads a day once you have somebody in your downline. So for 6,000 leads a month, you know, it's not a bad price to try it. Budget yourself out for a couple of months and really work it hard and see how you get on. There are people who are making recurring commissions just from the system itself, $200, $300, $400 a month recurring commissions, plus any sales that they actually make. And people have had sales from Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, etc. So take a look. I'm here to answer any questions, to help you. I'll talk to you very soon.